Guys, you've seen me for a couple of months now recommending you to use SMRT ALGO, and some of you guys have used SMRT ALGO to help you with your funding programs and to pass your program challenges. Now in this video, I'm going to be answering most of the common questions that you've been asking about SMRT ALGO, and I'll also show you how to trade the one candlestick strategy together with SMRT ALGO. So it's going to be an exciting video. I hope you guys will be able to follow along. Please give a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and also ask questions where you don't understand. Without wasting so much time, let's go on the screen and I show you what SMRT ALGO can do, and I'll also show you later on in the video how to combine the one candlestick strategy with SMRT ALGO for you to be able to get better entries. Let's get started. SMRT ALGO is essentially a complete charting enhancement suite designed to work directly inside of TradingView. Instead of relying on multiple indicators from different creators, SMRT ALGO combines many tools into one unified system. It's created to help traders visualize the market more clearly, identify potential shifts in momentum, and spot important areas like supply and demand zones without having to draw everything manually. The indicators available on SMRT ALGO will be able to work on all asset classes, which include Forex, crypto, indices, stock, metals, and more. Whether you trade on your phone, on your tablet, or desktop, everything will sync instantly. Now here is what the system is built to provide. It identifies when the market is losing strength or building pressure. This helps traders anticipate potential shifts early instead of reacting late. The tools update instantly with each candle and use real-time price data. The goal isn't to predict the market, but to help traders react with more clarity. SMRT ALGO highlights important price levels, giving traders a clean visual of where the price has previously reacted. Now these zones are automatically drawn based on changes in the order flow, so traders can easily spot potential high interest areas. I'll show you this later on TradingView so that you can be able to see the indicators that can draw the supply and demand zones automatically. Some of the tools like the Pro version 3 and the Pro version 4 highlight potential areas where traders may want to pay attention, offering a structure to help with timing and decision making. The focus is on confluence, combining multiple forms of technical analysis into one clear picture. Now, how do we get started with SMRT ALGO? Getting started with SMRT ALGO is very straightforward. You first create a free TradingView account if you don't have one already. Then you choose your SMRT ALGO plan. The first one is the monthly plan, the second one is the lifetime plan, and then the third one is the quarterly plan. After you've chosen your plan, you connect the indicators to your TradingView account. Once added, the tools appear directly on your chart just like any other indicator. I'll show you that also later on in the video. There is no complicated installation or external software needed. Now let's look at the pricing overview. SMRT ALGO offers three main subscription options, each designed for different types of traders. Let's first start with the monthly plan. The monthly plan is ideal for beginners who want to test the tools without a long-term commitment. It includes a full indicator suite, multiple pro versions, reversal finder, multiple time frame supply and demand indicator, the swing indicator, the MACD indicator, the trend pivot oscillator, the SMRT ALGO bot, trading setups, VIP Discord, all feature updates, and 24-hour support. Let's look at the quarterly plan. Quarterly plan is designed for traders who want consistency while saving money. It includes the same features at a discounted 3-month rate. Let's look at the lifetime plan. This one is for a one-time payment and includes everything in the other plans plus a full smart money toolkit, smart oscillator indicator, smart volume profile, exclusive beta releases, access to signal rooms, and all feature upgrades forever without having to pay again. For traders who don't like recurring payments, this option gives you complete access without ongoing costs. It's important to mention that SMRT ALGO emphasizes responsible trading. They clearly state that trading involves significant risk. Losses can occur in the market, and past performance does not guarantee any future results. The tools provide analysis, not financial advice. Simulated or backtested results don't reflect real-world conditions. Everything here is designed to support your trading, not to replace experience or risk management. So please do use the tools at your own discretion. This is not financial advice. SMRT ALGO also offers access to a private Discord community where traders share ideas, chart breakdowns, and updates. For new traders, this can be a real way to learn and stay connected. They also update their tools regularly, introducing new features and improvements based on user feedback. If you want to explore SMRT ALGO, compare plan, or learn more about their indicators, you can visit their website using the link that is in the description of the video and also in the first pinned comment. Whether you are new to trading or looking to sharpen your analysis, SMRT ALGO gives you a clean and structured way to approach the market. We are here on TradingView, and as you can see, I have already plotted the Pro version 4 that comes with SMRT ALGO. After you've made your purchase, go to indicators and come to invite only here, where you'll be able to see all the indicators that are available within your plan. So I have added the Pro version 4 on the chart, but you can see that you can be able to add the supply and demand indicator also on your chart. Let's first look at the Pro version 4, since this is the indicator that most of you guys have been asking me about. So you can be able to use the Pro version 4, which is similar to the Pro version 3 here. They are similar. Pro version 4 is just a new updated version of Pro version 3. So once you plotted it on the chart here, don't change any other settings. The settings will be the same here. The only thing I have done is I have disabled the cloud. So to remove the cloud, you just scroll down here and then you come to reversal cloud. When you turn this on, there will be a cloud that will be shown on the indicator, but I have disabled it so that there is no cloud. That is the only setting that you need to change. So as you can see here, the indicator gives entry points which are designed to help you find better entries. All right, as you can see here, there was a buy setup which reached TP1, TP2, and TP3. Here we reached stop loss. Here we had a buy which reached TP1 and TP2. This is on gold, by the way. And then here right now, the most recent signal was a buy and it has reached TP1, TP2, and TP3. Now, some of you were asking me how to use this with the one candlestick strategy. Now you can see, if I show you right now, if I disable the Pro version 4, you can see that there is a zone that is drawn here, which is the daily tradable zone and the H4 tradable zone. So what you do once you've drawn your zones using the one candlestick strategy, you come and plot the Pro version 4 on your chart. So whenever you see the arrows, like the buy arrows from the Pro version 4 happening within the tradable zone on a daily chart or the zone of the H4 time frame, then you can be able to use that as a confluence to find an entry. Now this here happened when this daily tradable zone was down this side, so this was a very good confluence to enter this signal. You can see that if you go down to silver, this one also happened yesterday when this daily tradable zone was just behind here. So you can see this was a setup inside of a daily tradable zone and it reached TP1, TP2, and TP3. So I use the SMRT ALGO indicators together with the one candlestick strategy in this fashion. As you can see, if you go back here, look at the history for silver, there was an entry here, TP1, TP2, TP3 reached. Here we had a stop loss, and here we had TP2 reached, TP1 and TP2 reached. You can see, but remember guys, that these indicators are not designed to predict the market. They are just tools that you can use to help you within your trading. Don't take this as any financial advice. Everything that you're seeing here is just a tool that you can use to enhance your trading. If you're interested in getting involved with SMRT ALGO, this tool can help you with your prop firm trading and also help you with your technical analysis. Use the link that is in the description of the video to take advantage of the 60% discount that is running for this Black Friday. This is a limited time offer which is expiring soon, so the sooner you get involved, the better for you guys. Let me just show you the supply and demand indicator, or let's look at the Smart Money Toolkit. When you plot the Smart Money Toolkit on the chart, you can also combine it with the one candlestick strategy for you to get better setups, as you can see here. So right now we have this happening on the 4-hour tradable zone, which is this green box here. You can see there is a change of character that happened here after the 4-hour tradable zone, so you can use that as an entry, this candle here as your entry after the tradable zone. So you can combine the one candlestick strategy with Smart Algo to help you find direction and help you find the bias and help you find direction or trend direction for you to trade better. Remember that these tools here don't actually predict for you the market, they help you with your analysis. So if you combine the one candlestick strategy with the Smart Algo toolkit, it is going to help you during your trading to find better entries or find the bias of the market. Let's look at the supply and demand one. So when you plot supply and demand, you can be able to see that this also helps you together with the one candlestick strategy. Now remember that these zones here are based on the one candlestick strategy, the daily tradable zone and the 4-hour tradable zone. This is on silver. You can see here after the market went up, it pulled back down near the daily tradable zone, and then it also bounced from a demand zone right here and then started pushing up. This would be a good area to enter. So you can use this to help you with your analysis. When we look at the same indicator on gold, you'll be able to see and appreciate that this is actually good. As you can see, the market went up, came back down into the daily tradable zone, which was coinciding with this demand zone right here. This would be an area where you could be looking for entries. However, the market did not come back directly into the demand, but right now you can see it reached the supply on top and it has rejected it, and it's coming back down to this demand area, which is shown or plotted automatically by Smart Algo. And so when it comes down to this demand zone, it will also be coming down into the daily tradable zone, which will give us better entries right here. All right, so we can keep an eye on that. Guys, I don't want to make the video way too long, but there are very many possibilities of you enhancing your trading or your technical analysis using Smart Algo and the one candlestick strategy. Guys, please use the link in the description, get involved with Smart Algo and take your trading on to the next level. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, peace and out.